Our socials at KBC Channel 1 on X, YouTube and Facebook. Our sign language expert tonight is Susan Thuku.
That's right. A very warm welcome once again. Remember, Embattled Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua to face the Senate on Wednesday, a couple of hours from now, live in studio. A little later on, we have constitutional lawyer Mashina Wandugi and Felix Kiprono. We're going to have a conversation around what it means if the Deputy President is impeached. And if he's not impeached, what are the potential repercussions? All that coming up. But first thing, straight to our top story. And Embattled Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua will face the Senate on Wednesday for his impeachment trial after the High Court declined to issue conservatory orders.
Justice Chacha Mwita, while allowing the impeachment to proceed, said although the Constitution grants the court jurisdiction to intervene when there is a threat or violation of human rights, the court must exercise restraint in matters of impeachment. The Justice
Mwita subsequently referred the file to Chief Justice Martha Koome to empanel a bench to hear and determine the matter, saying that it raises weighty constitutional issues.
In his ruling, Justice Chacha Mwita acknowledged the doctrine of separation of powers as the basis for allowing the Senate to proceed with the impeachment process. The judge, however, recognized the Deputy President had raised substantive grounds that need an empaneled bench. Justice Mwita thereby forwarded the file to Chief Justice Martha Koome to appoint a bench to determine the matter.
Having considered the application and argument by parties, the Constitution and President, the prayer for grant of conservatory order is declined. However, in view of the issues raised in this petition, which also appear to relate to those in petition E522 of 2024, which has been certified for purpose of appointing a bench of an even number of judges to hear, I certify this petition as raising substantial questions of law and of public interest in terms of Article 165 sub-Article 4 of the Constitution.
The CJ also has the discretion to refer the petition to the three-judge bench recently constituted to consider earlier matters that had been filed challenging the Deputy President's impeachment process.
Given the close proximity of the issues in this petition and those in petition E522, the Honorable Chief Justice may consider whether this petition may be heard by the same bench appointed to hear petition E522. Ours is a constitution of hope and promise that institutions established under the Constitution will comply with its fundamental principle, and the promise that the Constitution is supreme and any act or omission in contravention of the Constitution is invalid. In other words, it does not matter how far the process may have gone, since no action is out of reach of our Constitution.
At least 26 petitions had been filed challenging Gachagua's impeachment. On Monday, Senate Speaker Amason Kingi affirmed that Parliament could not be subjected to injunctions and that the impeachment trial of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua would proceed as scheduled. Gishoke Washira, Prime Edition.